guys, I'm back. So it doing pretty good here. The last thing will be really slow on my new website, guys. I'm working on it, but it just complicated, guys. Website, like what happening, you know? This one will start with this corner and right there is. So this one will start with this corner there. And make sure they have enough glue to start on that. And use the tiny nail file. Make sure there's glue hole in there, guys. I think that's gonna look pretty good now when I move to thing I'm gonna paint. This is glue to start peeling off. Start on the back too. press this one to go to the curve of the clock, guys. Okay. Sorry, even off the camera. This was a mess, guys, really. So messy, guys. Look. Just to make sure everything is looking pretty good so far, guys. I love to watch Frozen too, guys. and try to push down in that corner. Oh. Really messy, not perfect, but well, oh, but it should better. So on the inside here gonna be a little bit difficult, but I'm gonna try. If it's not working, I just gonna have to paint it. But this is looking so cute already, guys. So this up here, so I'm going to cut a strip of this paper, and we're going to try to, let's see if I can do it, guys. This is hard to see. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna use that long, but so let's see how long is the paper properties. Maybe no, it's not gonna be that long, I suppose. I wish I could do like Nin did. She really amazing doing what she does. Okay, this is really difficult here. Well, at least I have to fold this one. Okay. I love Nin style, guys. Love what she. And I think I'm gonna fold like this and like this, so can go in there. Or maybe not. Let's see where my nail file. Nail file, where is it go? Oh, here. So I guess if you paint it might be better. You think should I just paint it? Well, let's try this one first. If not working, I have to paint it, guys. Alright. Not giving up, y'all, trying. This is kind of difficult. I'm stuck with this. You see, it's so hard, guys, because it's tiny. Well, and now I can get the glue there. Oh, make sure this one is dry. I think I cut this one a little bit too short. So this one I cut it too short. Now I need to put this piece of paper back there. Now I'm gonna patch all my paper piecing. If I don't like the paper I put there, I just, paint over the paper again if I don't like it. That's really easy enough. Let's see if I get it. Try to get rid of. One thing I don't like Mod Podge is dirty. Well, when it comes mixed with the paint, I guess, cause it gets all paint on my paper, but I guess it's my fault. I'm very messy crafter, I suppose. Now I'm gonna get these. I guess we need to. This is better. Here we go. So I'm gonna curve on my clock. That's better. Alright. So that's it, really easy. And this one, the bottom piece. We have to curve this one too. Here we go. That's easy. Now I'm gonna Mod Podge the whole thing. What do you guys think? Looking pretty good so far? think so. Looking really close, really good, my clock. So this one gonna be right there. I might use some stencil, I'm not sure yet. But this is so far that we got. Isn't that cute? Love it, guys. So so not sure this one will go well, or can I find the purple color flower or like the gray color? Not sure, but it's kind of like this one too. Not sure yet, but I just love this flower. Okay guys, I will be right back. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna add. What's going to do with this next step? I think I'm gonna add Cody photo in it, or my photo, or Cody and my hubby. I'm not sure yet. As you know, when I try this stuff, I like to have the picture on it, so it's like a good display. And okay guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna use lace, but I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use. I have a lot of it here. Look, I haven't put in a spool yet because I'm gonna put in a spool when I alter my lace storage for this. So I'm gonna stealing some of this lace to use. Wow, even I don't have enough for my storage display, so I have to order some more. But thinking which color that I'm going to use. This is so pretty. Love this. This color will go well, or should use some contrast color. This, oh my god, this is so pretty too. Everything. See, I have too many choices to use. Right? Thinking. So I love this one, guys. See, I have too many choices. Did I? I'm gonna use this gray one, guys. What do you think? I don't know. I don't care, I guess. It's my project, guys. You don't like it? Make it yourself, guys. Get one. So, I'm thinking, I'm not sure should I put this around here. Hang on. I may use some of these different ones. See, this one is different one. I think it's this one might be better tone, the curve, you know what I mean, because this is thinner like this. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure, or we do this in the front or the frame here, guys. And I can add the bling up here. What do you guys think? I think this one might be better turn. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. I'm not gonna use that one. This one is maybe a little bit too big, so I'm gonna use that one instead. And I can use the pro trims on the top of this, or the limestone around over the trim. I'm thinking I'll either use limestone on the top. Okay, I guess the lawn guy come to cut. I need to stop my camera right here, and I will be right back, guys, until he's done. Okay, I'll be right back.